Holy Spirit, I come today not to ask, not to rush, not to carry a list of needs. I come simply to say I love you, I love your presence. I love the way you comfort me when words fall short. I love how you meet me in quiet moments when no one else sees and no one else hears. Holy Spirit, you know my heart. You know my thoughts before I speak them. You know every place I've been strong and every place I've been fragile, and still you stay. I love the way you guide me gently, never forcing, never condemning, always leading me closer to truth. When I felt alone, you were there. When I was confused, you whispered clarity. When I was weary, you carried me. Holy Spirit, I love you for being patient with me, for correcting me in love, for reminding me who I am when I forget. You are my helper, my counselor, my comforter, my friend. I love you for stirring my heart in worship, for softening my spirit in prayer, for convicting me, not to shame me, but to draw me closer to God's heart. Teach me to listen better. Teach me to follow quicker. Teach me to trust deeper. Let my life reflect my love for you. Let my obedience be my worship. Let my words honor your presence. Holy Spirit, I don't take you for granted. I treasure you, I welcome you, I depend on you. Stay with me, lead me, fill me again. I come today with gratitude, with humility, with love. Holy Spirit, I just wanted to say, I love you.